My name is George. I'm the owner of DFS Designs, and we're located in East Central Pennsylvania between Allentown and Hazleton. We operate a facility that's metalworking, metal sculpture, and we operate a forge and do metal design. What I'm going to do today, what I haven't seen on the internet much, is forge a bronze leaf. Forging bronze is a bit different than steel. I've done dozens of them, and they turn out very nice. No two are exactly alike, and that's the way we want it. It will be a unique piece of jewelry. I found to use it as key rings. Many people will use it for key rings. I also found that you can use it as a lottery scratcher, and when I don't have any coins or any money at all, which is common since I'm an artist, I think you know that, I can use it as a lottery scratcher too. So what we're going to do, and hopefully you'll be able to follow along, and what I'll be using here, if you follow me this way, I'll be using a rod of bronze that you can order online, or perhaps you have a local supplier in your area. It's common to have something like silicone bronze. There's maybe just a few different types you can get. I found all of them work. I'm going to be using this furnace that I made off the internet. I found a guide to making it using in's wool and refractory cement. I mainly use this to melt aluminum and bronze, but for what we're doing here, this will work just fine because I'm simply heating this one rod. I do have a coal forge. I haven't used for a while, but we live right in the heart of the anthracite coal region, which is hard coal, and I many times will mix anthracite in with my bituminous smithing coal, which works pretty good. I also heat my house with anthracite coal, which is a clean burning fuel. So what we're going to do is get started here. Put this down here, and I'm going to get the rod up to forging temperature. Another thing you'll find with bronze, it's not anywhere near the same as steel as far as how you heat it and how hot you must get it, and even how it takes hits from a hammer. I found it to be like a little spongy, a little springy. So we'll get this heated up. Just take a little while, not very long at all. And one thing you don't want to do is get it red hot. Once you approach that, I found it can just break off. Once you get used to the temperature, controlling the temperature on the bronze, it's somewhat easier to work with, I'll find. I think you'll find that to be the case. Okay. We're just about there. So we'll have it about that temperature there. We have a nice rounding hammer, and we're going to get started here. Hitting it just on two sides, and there are different ways of doing this. I think many of the blacksmiths devise their own way of doing it to get the results they want. And another thing about bronze is, even after it gets cooled down, it still is a very malleable metal that you can still work. Get a nice little tip on there. Something like that for now. Gotta heat. And while it's heating, I'd like to introduce my videographer. I was fortunate enough to secure Lynn Hans, a noted award-winning photographer, and perhaps she'd like to introduce herself. Let's turn it down.
Hi.
Yes, she'll be doing the hard part here, making me look good. so to speak. You got it, it heats up rather quickly. So what I'm going to do is just get a little paper on there and get the kind of edge that I'd like to have for the tip of the leaf. Now what I'll do is decide where I want the leaf to start, where the stem to start, the leaf to start, and I'll just make a mark like that. That seems to define it nicely. You can see that. We'll get it back heated up. And well, I've tried different ways too. I found, and most blacksmiths that I've seen decide to go with doing the stem now, because if you spend too much time on the leaf right now, and then once you're defining the stem, I have on more than one occasion had the leaf just break off, and then all that work was pretty much for nothing. Okay, now we want to start taking this back and forward, and again hitting on two sides, because the lower side is against the angle that's getting worked just as well. It is very common practice to get it in a square first, and then work it to an octagon, and then take it to the round. You'll see it right there. Again, you'll find that bronze is a bit different than steel in how you work it. You can see the furnace heats up quite well too. Many times what I'll do after I work with the metal here, I use the furnace to melt aluminum or bronze, since it's all in there already. Oh, by the way, today is Friday, December 27th, just a couple of days after Christmas, and the temperature in the Commonwealth is quite warm for this time of year. In fact, it was raining. That's a bit unusual for this part of the country. Again, you'll find as you view a lot of videos, and I have on the internet, that different blacksmiths have different techniques to do things, and it seems like they all work and they achieve what they're out to accomplish. And I found that I acquired several of my own, but if you look at them and pick up on the videos how and what will work for you, I think you'll be pleased with the results. Taper the end, take it off. And then we'll begin with the leaf. That's kind of where we want to be. And I'm going to heat the leaf I'm going to switch hammers here also to go to the cross beam. Flattened out a bit. Try to be consistent with it. And you have the opportunity to define the leaf somewhat. At least I have. Notice a lot of people teach you the more you're doing it, the better you get at it. There's no doubt about that. It's good to check the width to be consistent. More heat. Defining the shape, let's say. I wouldn't heat it any more than that. At least my experience has shown that to be detrimental. At least. And that's kind of what I'm after for this leaf. I'm going to go for the texturing now. I do a number of different textures, and you'll see different designs all over. I like this one here that we're going to work on. It's pretty easy. What I'll do is try to get main vein go? From one side, perhaps, and then the other side. Nothing perfect there. Get it defined. Need it once more. The edge right textures. Just like this. Kind of follow the veins of what a leaf would look like. You can see that's putting a pretty nice design on it. And just give it a look and see if that's really what you're after. For mine right now, that is what I'm after. Now here's a key point, how to get some of the veins well defined. I'm going to go over to a heavy workbench there. Just heat it up again. And using a piece of sandpaper, fold it up a number of times. And give it a little brush. And you'll see what that does is highlight the high spots and leaves the low spots a little darker. And you can take that a little further, and it really brings it out nice. And many times I will polish it with either Brasso, other brass polish, or even Mother's aluminum. Does a good job on this. Mother's aluminum polish. Okay. I'm going to leave that like that for now. Okay, now we're going to cut it. I'll just try and heat the stem just at the furthest most part from the leaf. And you can cut this with metal grinding wheel or something similar. I'm going to try to go to the edge here. I don't have a hardy cut-off tool yet. Grab a pair of needle-nose pliers. So that's what it looks like to this point, and I believe we're going to hold it there. The only other thing I'll do is heat it and bend it to the design you want. So thank you, Lynn, and hope you viewers out there enjoyed this. By all means, leave comments, whether they're good or bad, or ways so I can improve things. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, George.
You're welcome.